How to change background color on Instagram stories. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change background colors on your Instagram stories. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app and then you tap on your story or swipe left. Now tap on your gallery in the bottom left corner here and select any picture first. Then after selecting a picture, tap on this draw icon in the top right side here, and then from the bottom here you can select the color you want to add to your background story. After selecting color, press and hold the screen few seconds and the screen's color will change to the color you selected. Now tap on this check button in the top right corner here and then tap on this sticker. Now you scroll down a little bit and you will see this icon. Tap on it and this will open your phone's gallery. So now you select the picture you want to add to your story, and after selecting you can resize the picture. You can also add more pictures if you want. You have to just tap on stickers and then tap on this plus and then here select the picture. And so this is how you can change background color on your Instagram stories. Thanks for watching.